Hi guys, it's Peitee. Today I have this glamorous look for you. I hope you will enjoy it. I'm starting off with a pore filling primer and I'm going to smooth that all over my face. Now for base I'm using the full coverage foundation and I'm using sponge to apply it. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush and do some pinpoint concealing. Now I'm going to take a white TV paint stick on the same small brush and add some highlight to the face. So this I'm just going to use here under the eyes to brighten this area. In the middle of the forehead, middle of the nose, on the upper lips, and a tiny bit on the chin. Now I'm going to use an actual concealer for under the eyes. I'm going to use some powder to powder the T-zone and under here, under the eyes. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm using this Morphe palette and the eyeshadows I'm using is this one and this one. Taking a fluffy brush and with a lighter shade, I'm going to shade the socket line. All the way in. Now still working with the light shade, I'm going to put it right here in the corner and a little bit underneath also. I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and just taking off the edges here. Just blending along to make sure it's nice and seamless. I'm taking the darker shade on a pencil brush and I'm putting this shade on the outer corner. And I want to blend it along the first third of the eye. I'm going to take a dampened flat brush and this color right here. And I'm going to do a half cut crease with this. So I'm just bringing this into the inner corner and the shape of the brush will help me to make a cut crease right here. So now I'm just going to take a small pencil brush with the same color and apply it in the corner and underneath. I'm going to go over with that pencil brush with whatever is left on it, just to blend this line a little bit. Now I'm going to take black gel liner and make a line all the way on the top. I'm just curling my lashes. And I'm adding a thin layer of mascara. And I'm going to add some lashes. Now for the eyebrows, I'm going to make a nice arch and fill them in. Contour with the NARS Casino. Also gonna add some on the jawline. Also going to do some nose contouring with a flat brush and just hardly anything on the brush. Do the sides right here and also some on the tip. And I'm also going to add some underneath my lip, just in that shadow. Now I'm going to add some blush and this I'm going to just apply on top of the contour. So in a straight line rather than putting it on the apple of the cheek. And then on top of that I'm going to add the highlighter. I'm also going to add a bit on the top of the nose and here at the lip. I'm just going to take this cream eyeshadow color and my fluffy brush. I'm just going to finish off the eye with a highlighter. For lips, I'm using two nude liquid lipsticks. This is Mannequin and I'm Nude by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So with the Mannequin, I'm going to apply it to the whole lip. And the lighter shade I'm going to add to the middle. Just going to pat that. And that is the finished look. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. For more makeup tutorials, please subscribe to my channel.